We'll guide you through how to make an iPhone keyboard typing sound louder. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. And so you're finding the iPhone keyboard typing sound is very quiet or not working at all. We're going to guide you through how you can go and make it louder and go and enable it. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. So without any other further ado, let's get started and go and get this sound. What you need to do is you need to go to the top right of the iPhone to get started and drag down. You need to make sure silent mode is turned off. So tap on that icon there and it'll say silent mode off. If it's already off, that's fine. After turning off, go and see if it's working. It may now go and be enabled, but it's still quiet. If it's still not working at all, don't worry. Open your settings next. Scroll down and you need to go and find sounds and haptics. Scroll down first of all, and you need to go and find keyboard feedback. Make sure sound switched on. Choose if you want haptic, but sound's really important there. Now, the volume that this will use is the ringtone and alerts. So what you can do here is we can go and increase this by tapping and holding. You can make it as loud as possible, and that does go and affect the other sounds on your iPhone, like the ringtone and other notification sounds and things like that. But that goes and affects the keyboard typing sound. So now we've turned that all the way up and we've gone and turned off silent mode and switched it on in the keyboard feedback. Now try typing, and for me, that sound is now louder. So it's that simple to go and make it louder. Hopefully you've been successful with this. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. From gaming to iPhones to Android to Samsung, we cover a wide range of different topics. If you've got any suggestions as well, feel free to go and put them down below. I look forward to going and checking them out with what you guys have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another how-to. Goodbye for now.